Welcome, today in front of me STK Life 9, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go to the settings app and then tap on the sound section. Here, as can you see, we got the ringtone volume panel, and just to change your ringtone volume you should swipe with your finger this dot to the left or to the right side. And by also you can do it by the second way. Just press on one from your volume buttons here on the right side of your device, and here you will see the settings icon, and you also will launch your sound settings, and by the same way you can just here adjust your ringtone volume. So that's how it looks, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.